Have you ever sat and wondered, what the heck am I made of? This skin, it's all fleshy and oily. I get zits on my face. I have to shave when my legs get too hairy, and I get all stinky when I run a mile. Why have I been cursed to live with such a gross covering and it's all around me? Well, actually, this covering is your skin, and all those gross things it does are all just ways your skin functions to maintain the homeostasis of your body. Your skin, with all these functions, is also known as the integumentary system. The word integumentary comes from the Latin word integument, meaning a covering, and that's exactly what it does. Covers and protects your body, keeping the things inside your body inside and the things outside your body out. The integumentary system is made up of your skin, which holds your hair, nails, and various glands. It's the body's largest organ, making up about 15% of a human's weight. The skin is divided into 3 layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Notice the prefixes epi and hypo. These tell you where these layers are located. Epi means above, and hypo means below the dermis. Let's begin with the outermost layer, the epidermis. The epidermis is made out of 5 different layers: the stratum corneum, the stratum lucidium, the stratum granulosum, the stratum spinosum, and stratum basale. These layers are made up of cells called keratinocytes, and they produce a protein called keratin. Keratinocytes are formed during mitosis at the base layer of the epidermis, the stratum basale. Keratinocytes are pushed up by the creation of more cells, progressing up the layers of the epidermis. As keratinocytes reach the outermost layer, the stratum corneum, the cells die and are eventually shed. Other cells, called melanocytes, are also located in your epidermis, which contain a pigment called melanin, giving color to your skin and hair. These cells have long branching processes called dendrites, which extend between keratinocytes and allow them to transfer melanin to many cells. The second layer of your skin is called the dermis. This layer is the thickest layer of your skin and is packed with important structures and appendages, which all serve many different functions. Hair, for example, keeps you warm, shields your eyes, and keeps foreign particles out of your respiratory tract. Sweat glands help to keep you cool while also excreting salt and metabolic waste from your body. Sebum is a lubricant that is excreted through sebaceous glands. It keeps the skin soft and prevents hair from becoming brittle. Capillaries within the dermis help with temperature regulation. This layer also houses nerve endings, which allows you to feel sensations like touch, pain, and pressure. The third and final layer of the skin is the hypodermis, which is unfortunately not as exciting as the other 2, but still important nonetheless. It is made up of adipose tissue, or fat cells, and connective tissue, which helps to keep you warm. The adipose tissue also acts as an energy conserve, storing fat for later. Larger blood vessels can be found in the hypodermis, and they help with heat regulation. The hypodermis